From the examples that we saw, the line can be formed from the parametric equations x equals x0 plus at and y equals y0 plus bt. x0, y0 can be put together as an order pair on the line and the value a and b. A as a coefficient of the t for the x parametric equation and b as a coefficient of the t for the y parametric equation. Put a and b together, we can get the m as b over a. And with the order pair x0, y0 and the slope b over a, the equation of the line can be formed using the point slope form or y minus the y0 equals m times x minus x0. Also for the circle, from the parametric equations x equals x0 plus a times cosine bt and y is y0 plus a times sine of bt. And these two parametric equations describe the circle with the center at x0, y0, and the radius is the quantity of the a or the absolute value of the a. For b is greater than 0, the circle is generated in a counterclockwise direction or in the positive direction. Now we are going to find the slope of the line and a point on the line, then graph the line. From the parametric equations, x equals 8 plus 2t and y equals 1 minus 3t. From the summary as x equals x0 plus at and y equals y0 plus bt. With this form, we know that x0 is 8, y0 is 1, the a is 2, and b is negative 3. So we can see the point that lies on or located on this line is the order pair. Oops. The point can be formed using the order pair like the x0, y0. And in this problem, we have x0 as 8 and y0 is 1. So we got the order pair. And then the slope can be formed using the value b over a. B is the rate of the y, a is the rate of the x. If you recall the slope formula, which is the rate of change or the delta y over delta x, delta y for this case is the value negative 3, and the change of the x or the delta x is positive 2, or the change of the x value there. So then the slope can be formed using the value b over a. B is negative 3, a is positive 2, and use the concept of rise over run. And this way gonna tell you the orientation of the parametric curve as rise negative 3. So that means it's gonna go from the given point, it's gonna go to the next point by going down 3 units and then going to the right 2 units. Now we get the slope, we get the point. Next we are going to sketch the graph or draw the line on the real number line. So it is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 for the x-axis, and for the y-axis, we start at the point 8, 1. So we can make the larger scale for the y. The first coordinate is 8, 1. And then with the slope information as rise over run, at this point t equals 0. And then the next, we're gonna go down 3, 1, 2, 3, and then go over to the right 2 units. Stop right there. So then the next stop, this is when t equals 1. Then the trajectory is going down this way. Next example, we are going to find the parametric equations from the line segment that goes from the point Q 0, 3 to the point P negative 2, 0. So from that means this is the low t, this is the t minimum, and T maximum, or you can say from T1 to T2 or T0 to T1. So let's put in as this is the T0 and this is the T1. That means the direction gonna go from Q to P. To find the equation that representing the line segment or the parametric equation representing this line segment, starting with finding the value m. From m is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Y2 is 0 minus y1, which is 3, divided by x2 or negative 2 minus x1, or the value 0. Now we have negative 3 divided by negative 2. That means we're going to write, which is going down, going down 3 units, and then run, that means go to the left 2 units. So the direction going to tell you where to go to the next point. With this way, from the parametric equation of the line is in the form of x equals x0 plus a times t. A is the rate of change of the x, and the y is y0 plus b times t. The m, which is b over a. In this case, we can see b as negative 3 and a as negative 2. Do not simplify the negative sign, because we're going to use the sign to indicate the direction of the orientation of the trajectory. So in this case, since t equals 0 is representing the starting point for t0, which is t equals 0, it occurs at the Q or the coordinate 0, 3. So then the x subscript 0 is 0 and the y subscript 0 is 3. And then we put them together to get the parametric equations as x equals 0 minus 2 times t and y equals 3 minus 3 times t. Or write it in the form as x equals negative 2t and y equals 3 minus 3t as the parametric equation that we are looking for.